Unload their sidearms immediately. I recommend unloading them into... I can't read this. Unloading them into your head.
Not so tough when you're not strapped down. Want to get my pulse now, Doc? Not gonna be so easy when I'm not doped up. You're always. Suppose I am. It's the back!
Thank you, Batman. The guard wouldn't have lasted much longer.
Is he okay?
He struck his head when they knocked him to the ground.
Move him away from here as soon as you can. Take him to the medical facility. It's the safest place on the island.
Okay. I'll go with him as soon as he's able to stand.
He's here! Stay still while I smash it!
Stop, Batman, please! You've got to help my babies!
I'm really not interested in a bunch of flowers, Ivy.
They're in pain, crying for help!
Just stay where you are. Last thing I need is you running free.
Poor children. I'll save you. Everyone will pay.
I'm up here! Help! Cut me free!
Harley!
Ah!
You have to help me.
Ivy? Gee, you look like crap. Maybe I can sneak you some shampoo.
The plants, can't you hear them? They're crying out to me in agony.
Yeah? Well, I really don't have time for this.
Please let me out. They'll die without me.
I don't know, Red. You're not on Mr. J's party list. Oh, well.
Please!
What the heck? I'll cut you a break.
That feels so much
better.
She's a good kid.
I could watch those two all day. What a riot! And speaking of riots, here's a bit of civil unrest I cooked up just for you.
What are you waiting for? Cut me free! He's taken control of the security overrides. I have the sequence generator, but without the terminal in my office, it's useless.
Your terminal has been destroyed. Give me the sequencer.
What? Oh, yes, of course. It's useless. Half the code won't get you anywhere. We're trapped in here.
There's always a way out. Always. You stay here. Lock this gate when I leave.
Oh, good idea. Can't have someone of my stature falling back into their hands now, can we?
You know, Bats, I always thought there was a spark between us. Well, now there is. I know, they're shocked. Come and get me, Bats. I double dare ya. Just go get a gun and shoot the stupid bat.
I'm gonna turn your bones to dust! More firepower! Over here! Come on!
Was that as easy as it looked? Huh. Well, it won't be so easy trying to catch me. Mwah!
Patient pacification system deactivated.
Look who's finally turned up, the Dark Knight himself. How's it hanging, Babs? Got a little problemo for you. See those two guards over there? I know. Shocking. How you gonna save them? Wow, that's a nice toy you got there, Babs. Can I have one? No fair. That's cheating, Babs. Time to turn up the pressure. One down. One to go. Where can I get me one of those?
Hold on, Louis.
Just in time, Dad. Just in time. Time for me to go, Babs. I'll miss you. Not. Oh, and now you have only 30 seconds to get out. Bye-bye.
We're trapped. He's locked us in with a bomb. Quick, get out! Move it!
we were both gonna die in there.
You're safe now.
You going after that crazy witch? I saw her heading out of the door as we got out of the room.
She won't get away. I'll stop her and then her boyfriend.
Good. Listen, I'll go try and get the ventilation system working. If you find her, don't go easy on her. For me.
You're expecting congratulations? Come on, try and catch me.
Did you see him back there? What was that thing he used?
No idea. He saved our lives. That's all I need to know.
Come on, keep up. You getting tired? Let me give you a little help. That's right, man. You're getting closer.
Detective has solved a mere 10% of my challenges. Are you ready to give up yet?
Ooh, you're getting warmer. Here he comes, Mr. J.
Excellent. I'll leave it to you then, my dear.
Get him! He's done it again. I don't believe it. I'm on my way now.
Oops, change of plans, kiddo.
But I tried my best.
Sorry, but there is no prize for second place. I'm afraid you're off the party list. Better luck next time.
No! Die, you big ugly bat! Hey, hands off the merchandise! That's my party list!
Quiet. Why the smiles next to certain names?
You're the detective, you tell me! Huh?
Get in.
You won't find Mr. J. He's in the secret lab in the gardens and... oh, crap!
Yep, I know.
Damn. Well, he'll get me out. You'll see. Yeah. You'll see.
Oracle, I'm done. Harley is subdued, and I have her print scan.
So you can find the secret lab in the gardens.
Yes. Harley's been everywhere on the island, so I'm calibrating the scanner to only show prints that have traces of chlorophyll.
Okay, listen. Be careful. I rerouted a Wayne Tech satellite to show thermal scans of the island. The gardens are showing up hot. Something bad is happening there.
Oh, Harley was just the warm-up, Bats. And to be fair to the little scamp, she did an okay job. Let's call it a B+. But between you and me, I'm aiming for the A grade. Just got to mix a couple more of these chemicals, and I'll be creating my own personal army. Ha!
We're back in the Gotham Bay with our reporter Jack Ryan. Jack, we're seeing that all access to the island has been restricted. Police and state troopers are manning checkpoints.
That's correct. The island is effectively cut off from the mainland. Nothing on or off. Early reports that Batman himself is on the island appear to be confirmed. Eyewitness reports state that he was returning the Joker to Arkham after the incident at the mayor's office. There are unconfirmed reports that escape, but I must stress, this is currently unconfirmed. More as it happens. Back to the studio.
Thank you, Jack. Bring you more as it happened. As Jack said, we do not know for certain, but it appears Batman may have been killed. For the latest news. Now, back to the scheduled program.
Good evening, residents of Joker Asylum. Some of our crazier guests have crashed the party early. And when I say crazy, I mean real psycho. Word of warning, if anyone sees a dribbling fool barking at the moon, or maybe just purring like a kitten, do your civic duty. Walk up to them, put your arm around them, show them that you care before you wring their necks. And then, get your lazy asses to the gardens. I'm cooking up a little surprise and don't want to be disturbed. Understand? Drawing to be the first to march on Gotham. Come on, boys! First Sign up for the type so far exceeded all expectations. Unprecedented, man. I have declared it mandatory for all members of my staff to be infected, upgraded with the Titan formula. Don't be afraid. I know you've heard stories of mutations and monstrous side effects, but don't worry. Those really don't happen too often.